video will show you how to use Temp Mode on your Valor fireplace remote. To switch to temperature mode, we are going to stay in manual and hold down the small flame button until the flame goes down to standby. To review on how to use manual mode, see the end of the video or the links in the description below. Once in standby, we will use the set button to navigate to temp mode. In temperature mode, there are two different settings, the sun and the moon. Think about these modes as a home mode and an away mode. You can set two different temperatures and navigate to the one you would like your home to stabilize at. Set the sun mode by clicking the set button until you see the sun icon. Once there, press and hold the set button until the temperature begins to blink. Then use the high and low buttons to change the temperature. Wait until the temperature stops blinking or press the off button. To set the moon mode, repeat this process with the moon icon. Keep in mind, your flame may not build right away depending on the temperature in the room. You must stay in the temp mode you want, the sun or the moon, in order for it to work. Your remote will not automatically switch from the sun to the moon. If this is what you were looking for, see the next video for the timer mode. Keep in mind that your remote is your thermostat, so the closer it is to the fireplace, the sooner your flame will turn down. Thank you so much for watching. For questions or free estimates on fireplaces, barbecues, and so much more, visit us at www.maplemtnfireplace.com or call us at 801-489-5052.